love, pain, and faith. Let's make a Tana style track on Bandlab and tell the story how God changed everything. Option for YouTube style hook. If you ever been in love but found God in the middle of it, this video for you. I'm showing y'all how to sound like Tana on Bandlab, emotional, raw, and real. Let's hear it. If you want a free preset, comment preset what type of preset y'all want, let me know. Hear the full song out now on my real YouTube channel, listening to all the albums. See y'all next video. Peace out.
Motherfucking stompers.